Oh.
It takes a lot of energy, doesn't
Yes, it does. Gotta get a drink. Take a break.
Thank you, Ryan.
The puppy.
Hold it in.
Oh, Annie, why won't you play with a cute puppy? He's trying.
He wants to play with it.
He does. He wants the big dog.
The big. What do you think, Blue? What do you think?
Rachel. Come here, Rachel. Come here, puppy. Yay! Hi. Where's that puppy? Where's that puppy?
What do you think, Mommy?